Do you ever wonder about the difference between an SMD LED and a regular LED? Well, let's find out. This is part 17 of the KEYESTUDIO 37-in-1 sensor kit, the 3-color SMD LED module. Here's what you'll need: an Arduino microcontroller, preferably the UNO version or similar, a 400 tie point breadboard, a USB cable, the 3-color SMD LED, and the 3-color regular LED module from the 37-in-1 sensor kit, and 8 to 18 jumper wires. Let's compare these modules. The regular 3-color LED uses a through-hole LED. This means the legs of the LED go through the holes in the PCB, the printed circuit board, and it gets soldered in place. The SMD LED, surface mounted device, does not have any legs that go through holes, but it gets soldered to the surface of the PCB by heating solder paste. That's the only difference. Let's put it all together. Place the 3-color SMD LED module on the breadboard somewhere towards the top. Then place the regular 3-color LED module towards the bottom. We'll need to make sure we're using the PWM pins, which means pulse width modulation. These pins have the tilde or squiggly line symbol next to it. Let's connect the regular 3-color LED module. Connect the pin labeled B to digital pin 3, connect the pin labeled G to digital pin 5, connect the pin labeled R to digital pin 6, connect the pin labeled minus to ground. Now, let's connect the 3-color SMD LED module. Connect the pin labeled B to digital pin 9, connect the pin labeled R to digital pin 10, connect the pin labeled G to digital pin 11, connect the pin labeled minus to ground. Now here is what it looks like in the real world. Grab the USB cable, connect it to the Arduino, and then connect to your computer. We'll use the Arduino IDE software for programming the Arduino UNO. So open the IDE, go to Tools, then Boards, then Arduino AVR boards, then select the Arduino UNO. Then go to Tools again, go to Port, then select the serial port where your Arduino is connected. Upload the following 21 lines of code using the Arduino IDE. The code allows both LED modules to simultaneously flash. Try modifying the code. Create a new variable called all LED pins, add all the LED pin numbers, remove all the old variables, update the setup, update the loop, and see what happens. Once you get the hang of it, come back and join us for the next module.